Sun in Taurus, in the 12th house. The cosmic blueprint. If your sun is in Taurus in the 12th house, your soul's anchor is buried deep within the invisible world. The sun represents your core identity. Taurus is the sign of physical comfort and enduring worth, and the 12th house is the mystical realm of the subconscious, dreams, and spiritual completion. When these energies merge, your life purpose becomes an internal journey. You aren't here to hustle for public recognition or live your life on a public stage. You are here to step away from the noise, build an unshakable inner peace, and cultivate a private world rich with beauty, spirit, and quiet luxury. The hidden strengths. Your greatest superpower is your profound spiritual resilience and deep internal grounding. Because the 12th house governs hidden dimensions, your Taurus drive gives you an incredible emotional stamina that keeps you calm during life's greatest storms. You possess a rare, psychic-level appreciation for beauty and a natural gift for calming chaotic spaces or anxious minds. You are the ultimate behind-the-scenes guardian, someone who quietly provides stability and support to others without ever needing a single ounce of praise. Your intuition is deeply practical, and your dream world is a source of raw, creative wealth. The shadow and cosmic lessons, but keeping a steady earth sign hidden away, can easily turn a private sanctuary into a stagnant cage. Your biggest challenge is a severe tendency to hide from reality and use comfort as an escape. Because you find peace in solitude, you might isolate yourself too deeply, refusing to face real-world responsibilities, career shifts, or difficult relationships because they disrupt your quiet bubble. Your determination can turn into a stubborn refusal to let go of old subconscious patterns, lingering grudges, or hidden anxieties. Your cosmic lesson is to realize that your inner peace is portable. You must learn to bring your hidden strength out into the world rather than hiding from it. Ultimately, you are here to show the world that the truest security is found in the stillness of your own soul. This concludes our master playlist on the Sun in Taurus through all 12 houses. If you want to dive deeper into the rest of your birth chart puzzle and discover how your planetary placements interact, make sure to follow along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have your Sun in Taurus in the 12th house. See you in the next breakdown.